Hello, students. Welcome again to our English class. How are you today? Hope you are okay. In this video, we will study actions of farm animals. What farm animals can do. I'll play a video for you first. You listen attentively. Are you ready?
Walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow, a cow, a dog, a dog, a duck, a duck, a horse, a horse. A pig, a pig, a sheep, a sheep. That's what you see. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you hear? A dog! Quack, quack, quack. A duck! A horse! Oink, oink, oink. A pig! Bah! A sheep! That's what you hear. Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? Let's take a walk. 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 Goodbye, cow. Goodbye, dog. Quack, quack, quack. Goodbye, duck. Goodbye, horse. Oink, oink, oink. Goodbye, pig. Bah. Goodbye, sheep.
Okay, students, hope you enjoyed the video. Now, we'll go to our lesson. This is a cat. This is a cat. Cat. It can climb. It can climb. Can climb. Climb. This is a cat. It can climb, climb, climb. What is this? This is a rat. Again, this is a rat. It can climb. A rat can climb. Again, this is a rat. It can climb. What is this? This is a horse. This is a horse. It can run, run, run. It can run. One more time. This is a horse. Horse. It can run. Run. What is this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep. It can jump. Jump. Again, this is a sheep. It can jump. Jump. What is this? Okay. This is a duck. This is a duck. It can swim. Swim. It can swim. One more time. This is a duck. Duck. It can swim. 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 Okay, students, we have come to the end of our lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye.